Hello traders, today is the 6th of October 2010 and happy trading to you all. And this video is about gold, the gold metal. And I have here, okay, the weekly chart of gold, okay. And also I have my favorite indicator, my special RSI indicator. This is my special RSI indicator that I created myself. Is here. As you can see, it was overbought right here, and we are having the second attempt overbought signal here. It's not fully formed, but the RSI is touching this 70 level right here. And I showed you before in one of my previous video the second attempt. Okay, so you want the RSI to be overbought first, you acknowledge that, and you wait for the second attempt, which means it will return again to the overbought zone, and you look for opportunity to sell. Okay, this was forming now. It's not yet completed on this weekly chart. Maybe you will remain like this till next week before they start selling, but it's something we need to pay attention to. The second attempt of my special RSI indicator right here, it has been overbought here. Now it's going again into the overbought zone. Right here you can see the price going up nicely here, okay, but we are expecting gold to give us what I call a healthy pullback, okay, so that the market can have a nice entry point again. Like I showed you before, we are expecting gold to give us a nice pullback in order to allow the market to continue the movement to the upside, okay. So this is why my RSI indicator has given overbought condition here, and is trying to give the second one here. When it give the first one and you see it coming for the second one, you must pay attention to my favorite special RSI that I have here. I'm not prepared to reveal the period of my favorite my special RSI indicator because it's part of our trading tool. Okay, this is the weekly chart, by the way. Okay, if we look on the monthly chart, okay, this is what we have on the monthly chart. As you can see again right here, my RSI was overbought in this zone here. As you can see here, now it's been overbought again here. It's going to the overbought zone. Right here, it touched it here. We can call this section here as the first attempt. Okay, this is the recent one. It touched it here. Okay, and now it's going again to touch it again on the monthly chart. So we have it on a weekly chart. Okay, first attempt, second attempt on the monthly chart also. So this is something we need to pay attention to. But looking at the present economic condition, the reason why people are putting money into gold is because of the economic situation in the United States. Nobody like to put their money in dollar, therefore people are putting money in gold, so they may continue to buy this gold metal if a lot of bad news still coming up all the time. But this information, we need to pay attention to it, knowing that the market can turn around here. If you are already bullish in gold, you may decide to take some profit at this point, okay, and watch the next move, okay. That will be more prudent way to approach your trading, okay. Looking at the daily chart, okay, I will show you quickly the daily chart. This is what we got on the daily chart. This since July 2007, this gold was in the uptrend nicely, no stop uptrend. As you can see here, just going up, okay. July, August, now September ended. That's 3 months now so far gone, okay. So I mean 2 months so far gone, okay. So it was the end of July, so 2 months gone so far. It was in the uptrend nice now. I think it's time for some nice pullback now. As you can see, it was not very strong bullish right here with the size of the candle all the way here, and suddenly we have this tall candle here. That's what I call exhaustion, okay. So it does not mean that the price will definitely turn around, but it's something we need to pay attention to. If you see the price going up and then suddenly you see this tall candle coming up, it looks to me like a overbought, what I call exhaustion condition. So you must pay attention to it. Not that you just jump on it and sell it, but you go to the lower time frame looking for opportunity to sell whenever there is opportunity to sell. This is about the gold metal, okay. The same thing you see if you watch carefully this session here, okay. The price, there was a tall candle followed by a pullback, as you can see, tall candle, and then a small one on top, Okay, tall candle, small one on top, and then pull back, tall candle, small one on top, pull back. Okay, it's happening all the time. Every time you see it's going like this, okay, it give a very tall candle. This is an oversized candle, and now it's building a small one on top. This is this week by this is today. Yeah, that's what yesterday very bullish. You see, very tall candle, and today very small size. We'll see tomorrow. I think gold will pull back tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll see. But we are not trying to forecast the market, and no one should try to forecast the market. Otherwise, you'll make a mistake because the market can continue to go up when you are expecting to go down. So the best thing to do is to keep your eyes wide open, following the price, the number one indicator. Okay, but the only thing that we notice that our special RSI has been oversold, and this is the overbought. Repeat, overbought. Okay, and we have a second attempt on a weekly chart and also on the monthly chart. So we must pay attention to that. And all time frame, gold is overbought right now, and it can be overbought for some time in if the market is very very bullish, and if we continue to have a lot of bad news on the daily chart also is overbought with my special RSI indicator. So you must pay attention to that. Going now to 5 minute chart, I will show you quickly what's happening on 5 minute. This is on the 5 minute chart. So we are looking on the same thing on different time frame, trying to see exactly what the price is giving us. Okay, for those who are trading a TSTW24, is now we know that we are at a very important level, is to start using your TSTW24 in this zone, because we know that this is a hotspot zone. A lot of professionals will watch this level carefully, so you will do exactly the same thing so that you may cream the market consistently. This is, by the way, the 30-minute chart. Okay, I will show you quickly the hourly chart. Okay, this is what we got on the hourly chart, looking at the same thing in a different time frame. Okay, in order to make our trading decision or make our entry point more accurately. This is the daily chart, by the way. Okay, so this is it about gold metal, and we start everything from the weekly chart, showing you that it has been overbought here, and this is the second time it's going in the overbought zone again. We must pay attention to that. I hope you learned something from this video that you put into practice, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very very happy. Thank you.